actually get sexually active with your dog.
So this fridge won't cool, and it seems it's just not compressor starting machine. Orange juice casserole, potato peel sauce. Everything seems pretty intact. These fans run, but compressor doesn't. So I've unhooked 2 out of 3 of the compressor wires in this box and ohmed out the compressor, and it says burned up. I got 4.2 ohms from start to run, but then from common to anything we got like 56 ohms. So that's weird. I'm gonna test it there just to be sure. It ohms good over here. Got 3 ohms on one coil and 1 on the other. 4 between the 2, basically. So I guess the issue must be in here then. Ohming end to end, the black wire here has got mega ohm resistance. It's a Wago and it's wrapped in electrical tape. It goes through that pressure switch. They run the compressor line duty through a pressure switch apparently, but not the condenser fans, just the compressor. That switch is a high pressure switch. I'm gonna say it's not low on refrigerant for now. I've put it all back together and here's the pressure switch wires. And now it's running. Hell yeah. Nice and cold. She's good to go. Look at this. It's coming on down. So I gotta call the warranty now and find out what we're doing about that pressure switch. And they want me to just handle the pressure switch myself. They don't want to send it to me. So